Hello guys, I am Robert and welcome here on the channel. Today it's a big day for me because I have here in front of me this new Nexx helmet, the X.Wed tray, just released a few months ago and a few days just arrived to Romania. This helmet was sent to me from BikerFunShop. Thank you Albert for sponsoring me with this beautiful new helmet from Nexx. The big surprise is that I don't know what is in this box. I don't know the color of the helmet, I don't know with what accessories come, I don't know with which visor it comes, so I am very curious to find this out. The box is untouched, and the reason why I received this new Nexx helmet is that Albert from BikerFunShop asked me so 3 weeks ago. Do you have plans for 2024 motorbike season? And I said, yes, we have big plans. Okay, then I will send you the new helmet from Nexx, the X.Wed tray. What can I say guys, it's just an honor for me to have this opportunity to wear this new helmet, to unbox it and to show it to you. Let's do this. And the first thing, look here, a sticker with BikerFunShop. Thank you. And we have here the, I don't know how it's called this in English, sun protector, I don't know, looks very nice. We have here these screws, and what I have here, a visor, but I don't know the color. Let's check it. Oh yes, it's a black one, very nice. That means that the helmet comes with the clear one, the white visor. Okay, let's put it here. And here I have this triangle box, adventure ready. And I guess that here I have the mounts for the action cam to mount it on the helmet, but we will see soon what we have inside. Let's put it here. And now the moment of truth. I have here the helmet in this nice and soft cover, very thick. I like the feeling. And even if I am covered here with all these accessories, I have another thing in the box. The pinlock comes included. That's very nice in the cold period. Okay, let's put it here. And I also find this piece, I don't know exactly what it is, some extension. We will see. Let's put it here. And now I guess it's the time to take away this box because we need space. And now let's take a look at the helmet. Yes guys, I was right. The helmet is a dark color, the black one, with this nice full carbon. Wow, beautiful. And yes, it's the clear visor on it. The size is the small, the S1. But before I took everything off the helmet, I would like to try it to be sure that the small, the S size, it's perfect for me. If it's not, then I have to return it and to send me back the M size, but I am quite sure that the S, it will be perfect. And every time when we try on a new helmet, it's okay to wear something on our head between the head and the new helmet. I have this Vanucci thing. I bought it, I guess, 5 or 6 years ago, and I wear it all the time with my helmet. I catch these two ears here, these two clips. Let's try it on. Whoa. And yes, it's a bit tight. I feel pressure here in these 2 points, but in rest, very nice feeling, comfortable. But I don't know if it's normal to feel here these 2 points, this pressure here. I guess the M, it would be better for me. I don't know. Okay, now I have the helmet on for like 5 minutes. I wanted to see how it feels, these 2 points here, but unfortunately I have a pressure there, and that's it. I will change it with the M size, the medium one. But in rest, wow, very great feeling, good materials, premium everything. I need a bigger size. Before I put everything in place back, I want to take a look here. Look, here we have the accessories for the action cam to mount on the helmet, but I will show how I mount everything on the helmet on the next step when I receive the M size. Then I will put everything together and we continue this unboxing and this presentation. Thanks for watching until here. We are back. Yes, we have here some small or bigger changes. Yes, I have also made a haircut, but that's not the point now, because I changed my S helmet, the X.Wed tray, with this blue one, with the M size, the medium one. In my opinion, it's just beautiful. As I said before, I want to put all the accessories on the helmet, so let's start with this sun protector. Here we have this screw, and we have a little space here. I let this sun protector as much as I can in front to have a better protection. Already has another look, in my opinion, very, very nice. So let's put also this extra one, and for that we have to remove these 2 small things from here. Apparently it's not difficult to take them out. Put them here, and now we slide this in here, and I saw that also has to put it backwards or forwards. Very nice. And that's all. But before we move to the another step, I want to try on this helmet to see you guys how it looks on my head. It feels much better than the S model. I didn't feel anything, I don't feel pressure. It's just perfect, comfortable, very nice. We have here the sunglasses somewhere. I'm not used to it, somewhere here. And what's nice that the visor has this click here. Hear it? And now it's perfectly closed. I guess that the helmet will look much better with this black visor. So now I will change it because I want in the summer and in the hot days, when the days are longer and we have much more sun, I want to use this black visor, and in the rest of the year, when it's much colder outside and we have this fog in our helmet, I want to use this clear visor with the pin lock, which I want to install today. I never installed a pin lock before, but we will learn together today. The visor, theoretically, it's very simple to be changed. You have to open the visor full up, and here we have this. We just press it and the visor comes off. And that was all, very simple, as I said. And now let's put on this black visor. We make the same procedure. When we put it back, maximum here up, and then we put it in the hole. It took me a while because I didn't see here the little space, but it's quite nice. It's very simple. If you do this 2-3 times, you will do it in under, I don't know, 15 seconds maybe. We have the sun protector, we have the extra sun protector, we have the dark or the black visor. What remains? The accessories. We have here all the accessories. We have 3 mount possibilities. One here in the front, one here up, and one here on the right side. I will mount today only this one because this mount I will use mostly and almost all the time. What I didn't see here in this package is that little thing. I don't see anything like this. This is mine. It's good that I had this at home, because here we have very little screws that we have to mount it here. To mount here this front camera mount, we have to use these 2 pieces. It's made from plastic, I guess 3D models from 3D printers. And I have to remove this little plastic protection here, and with 1 screw I will put it here. Let's do it. That's all. Nice and stable. I will go now and bring my Action 4 from DJI to test it, how it looks here. Just put this mount here. Put the camera. Give the right angle, a little bit so, because when we ride on the motorbike, our head is a little bit forward, and so we have the good view. Let's clean this clear visor and put the pin lock. I have here a t-shirt because I don't want to scratch my visor. Have the pin lock, a dry and a wet cleaner. And we have here inside this silicone line that must come on the interior side, and on the outside we have this protection that comes off after we put it on. After we put on the pin lock, we have to be sure that this silicone line, it comes very well and sticky to the main visor. And that's it. Okay, and now let's take off this protection from outside. And now the interior part. And let's take off from the dark visor also this protection. If you stayed until now, I have a surprise for you. The surprise comes from BikerFunShop.ro. Yes, it's a Romanian company. You have 10% discount if you use the code LUCI10 for every Nexx helmet that you buy from BikerFunShop.ro. Even if the helmet that you like from Nexx is at a discount, but it's not available for the products that are in the outlet category because there are too big discounts already. But it's a great thing in my opinion. You have 10% discount using LUCI10 code for every Nexx helmet from BikerFunShop.ro. But you have to know that the offer is only available at the end of April 2024. Now it's mid of March, so you have enough time to decide what helmet do you want to buy. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this review, or how do you want to call it, this unboxing, maybe a bigger and more serious review I will make after I wear this helmet a long period. I hope you will give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot to grow. Don't forget to check my main YouTube channel, Lucifer Videographer. There I post mostly in Romanian, but you find also a few tips in English. Bye, and thank you BikerFunShop for your support.